Good evening from Scott. Straight to the point, self-reliance. Sometimes thought of as an outdated term. We have become a nation of dependence. We believe that someone's going to take care of us. We believe the government's going to take care of us. The February inflation numbers are out and it's not pretty. And I told you guys and gals a while back, hey, prices aren't coming down. My exact words were, prices ain't coming down. There may be some fluctuations out there, but inflation's here to stay and it's not pretty. Straight to the point. This is my field out here, okay? This is next door to our home, all right? And we grow our own peas, corn, tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumbers, stuff like that. And then we freeze them. Got a bunch of stuff left over from last year. Well, you may say, well, Scott, I can't do that. Well, number one, these grocery store prices are out of hand. Look at one of my past videos. I think, was it 3 or 4 ears of corn were $5.07. Or whatever it came to was around $1 per ear. I can grow corn for around a penny per ear, give or take. The point I'm trying to make is, you may not have this much land out here or whatever. And hey, you know what? If you live in an apartment and you have a back concrete patio, go to your local Farmer's Feed or Ace Hardware, get you some, or even Walmart, grow your own tomato plant. Start off small, DIY. You can, on your back porch, you can do tomatoes, bell peppers, just stuff like that. Start off small and you can grow into this here. If you've got a backyard, you may say, you know what, my backyard's only, Scott, it's only 20 feet deep and, 80 feet long. You can do wonders with that. You can grow hundreds of dollars in produce in your backyard. Even if you live in an HOA that doesn't like that, what's in the backyard they will not see. So the point I'm trying to make is, let's get back to some self-reliance, because when it gets down to it, no one's going to help you. The grocery store prices are not coming down. Trust me on this. I've got a lot more information coming, and I'm going to try to really push some stuff out there that I've learned over the years. I'm an old guy. Hopefully I've got some knowledge under my belt, that maybe I can pass on to you. But with that being said, let's get back to self-reliance. Put that in your mind. Don't depend on anybody else. If you like what you're hearing, subscribe or hit that like button. I certainly appreciate you guys viewing. And if I've got some good information, I will pass it on to you. I promise. Thank you again.